Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to update software on Amazon Fire TV Stick. All right, let's begin. Updating your Fire TV Stick software is important because it gives you access to the latest features, performance improvements, and security updates. To start, make sure your Fire TV Stick is connected to the internet and turned on. From the home screen, use your Fire TV remote and scroll to the right until you highlight the gear icon. This is the settings menu. Select it, then scroll down and choose My Fire TV. If you have a PIN set up, enter it to continue. Inside the My Fire TV menu, select About. This section shows information about your device and current software version. Next, scroll down and select Install Update or Check for Updates. If an update is available, your Fire TV Stick will begin downloading and installing it automatically. This process may take a few minutes, and your device may restart once the update is complete. So that's basically how you can update software on Amazon Fire TV Stick. That's it for this video. Thanks!